permissions again. And let me record from my side and let me share the screen. What is the answers, guys? Okay, let me check. Okay, sir, 65 log backups, 4 differential backup, and 1 full backup. Why, Anis? Why 4 differential backups? Can you tell me? Yes, Anis. Why 4 differential backups? Any logic? Since last full backup on Sunday, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday differential backups you are going to use, right? Tell me, guys. What is the correct answer?
1 full backup, 1 differential backup, 17 backups, sir.
17 log backups. Wrong. No one said correct answer till now. Everyone is wrong only. Even Anis also wrong. Try it, guys. Try it. Just try it. 1 full backup. Okay, fine. How many differential backups?
1, sir.
1 or 4?
1 only, sir.
1 only.
Anis, we have already discussed.
Sir, give me recording permissions.
Yeah, you have recording permission. Forget about log backups, Anis. Forget about log backups. Whenever we have already discussed, Anis, this point. Whenever if I ask you how many differential backups, what is your answer?
1.
1. Then why 4 differential backups? How come 4 differential backups? Again, 1 full, 5 differential. Who is that? Satish. Why 5 differential backups? Why you added 1 more extra? The database is corrupted at Friday, but you want to restore Friday night differential backup. Huh? One full, 1 differential, 65 log backups. Okay, right. Any challenges are there in calculating this, guys? Tell me. Any? You know, right? You are all good at numbers, right? Nothing is there. You know, like you are good in the numbers. You know, 1 full backup is required. For full backup, 1 full backup is required. If you restore 1 full backup, you are going to restore the data till last Sunday. Agree? 1 differential backup. You know, 1 differential backup is enough. So if you restore the database, the 1 differential backup means which day differential backup? Which day differential backup?
Recent, sir. Recent.
Recent means?
Friday. 10 p.m.
Friday
sir.
recent, huh?
Friday
No, sir,
My
Thursday.
database is
Thursday.
corrupted at Friday 2
Thursday.
p.m. 2:25. What is the recent differential backup?
Thursday, sir. I mean,
Thursday's one or Friday's one?
Friday's one, sir. Friday's one.
Why Friday's one? You will wait till night 10 o'clock. If your database is corrupted at afternoon 2:30, you will wait till night 10 o'clock. Even though you waited till night 10 o'clock, are you going to get the proper differential backup as the database is corrupted?
No, sir. No, sir. It's night, sir. I thought it's 10 a.m.
10 a.m. Okay, fine. It's not 10 a.m. It's 10 p.m. If it is 10 a.m., you are correct. It's 10 p.m.
Yes. Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Then tell me, which day differential backup I have to use?
Thursday differential backup.
Thursday differential backup. 1 full backup, you will get the data till last Sunday, and you have to restore the recent differential backup, that is Thursday one. You will get the data till Thursday 10 p.m. So what are the data we are missing?
We are missing from Thursday 10 p.m. to
To
morning. Sorry, 2 p.m. Fridays log backup, sir. Between that.
okay, so we are missing the data
30,
from Thursday 10
44.
p.m. to Friday 2:15 p.m. Agree?
Yes. Yes, sir. Agree, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. So Thursday 10 p.m. to now we will calculate how many log backups. Thursday 10 p.m. to Friday afternoon 2:25 or 2:15. Okay, right? So Friday afternoon 2:15. So Thursday 10 p.m. to Friday morning 10 a.m. How many hours? 12 hours, right? 12
Yes.
hours means how many log backups?
12 into 4.
16,
Four.
sir.
48.
48.
Okay, right. Friday morning 10 a.m. to Friday afternoon 2:15.
215.
How many? 10 to 2. How many? 4 hours, right? 4 hours. 4 hours means how many? 4, 4,
4,
4
4,
ja,
16, sir.
16. Okay.
16,
Next 2 to 2:15, right?
Yes, sir.
This is up to 2 p.m,
One.
right? So 2 to 2:15, that is one log backup.
1.
Okay. Total how many log backups? Total how many? 7 plus
64.
8.
64.
65, sir.
65.
65.
65 log backups we are going to restore. Okay. If you restore all these 65, including one full and one differential, and 65 log backups you have to use to restore. Everyone, is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So you have to use all these log backups. Remaining 10 minutes backup that can be covered under tail log backup. I'll discuss. I'll tell you what is tail log backup, how to take tail log backup. Okay. Right? Fine. So let's jump into the log backup. How to take the log backup, guys? It is easy. It's not difficult. You can right click on the database, select task, same like backup. You will choose log backup. Remove the old path, add the new path. If you want, you can change the path. Click on the browse button. If you want to keep the same path, make sure backup is selected and let me type the file name. Okay. Amazon database name you have to include. And what is the type of the backup? Log backup underscore, right?
18.
Date. You have to mention the date. Okay. What is the date today? 18/11/2021. And for full backup, differential backup, you can mention the date. That's fine. For log backup, as it is going to take every 15 minutes, it is better to mention the time also. Okay. Right. So what is the time now? 7:15, right? 075200. Dot, the extension for log backup is .trn, guys. .trn. Okay. Transaction log backup. Okay. Just click OK. Click OK. That's it. And you can click OK. This is called your log backup. This is how we are going to take the log backup. What is the query to take the log backup? Can anyone tell me? Backup. What you are
Backup.
going to do? What backup you are going to do?
Log backup.
Log
Transaction log
Backup
backup.
log database name
name. File
to disk is equal
is
to
equal to
file name Amazon underscore log bkp underscore. Okay. Date is 18/11/2021 underscore. Time also better include time also. Okay. What is the time?
752.
07:53.
52.
Okay. 00. Now it is 53. Okay. 7:53 now. .trn. That's it, guys. Close the brackets, quotes, and now you can run it. So this is how you are going to take the log backup. It just took only one page backup. Nothing is there. No transactions are there, right? So it just took one page backup. Okay. This is how we are going to take the log backup, guys. Clear, everyone? And you can see the log backup here. Now, if first log backup is missed, I cannot use the second log backup, guys. I told you, right? It's a chain. In the chain, if one log backup is missed, I cannot make use of other log backups. If second is missed, I can make use of the first one. But if first is missed, I cannot make use of the second one and other log backups also. Clear, guys? Everyone?
Sir, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any
The
doubts?
type,
Any question? Yeah, tell me.
in front of Amazon log backup name, there is a type, sir. Right, sir. It modified type. SQL Server transaction. Could you please explain this?
Which
SQL
one?
Server type, sir.
Type log backup, SQL transaction log backup. That's it.
Okay, sir.
As it is a log backup, you can see the description of the file is SQL Server transaction log backup. That's it. For full and differential backup, you can just see backup.bak file. Okay. For log backups, you can see SQL Server transaction log backup.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Clear, guys? So this is how you have to take the log backup. And finally, we have two backups, two other backups. That is, one is copy only backup, and second one is tail log backup. We'll discuss those two backups. Okay. So copy only backup. Why we have to take copy only backup? Copy only backup is very important, guys. So let me explain copy only backup.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, backups all are automated, sir, in the organization.
Yeah. Backups yesterday.
Then
also.
how can we keep name and date while
See, if you want to take the backups manually, customers will call you. Okay. Sometimes they will ask us to take the backups manually. How we are going to take? You have 100 databases. Okay. As discussed, if you want to take the backup of 100 databases, usually we will have jobs. If you run the job, it will take the backup of all 100 databases. But I want backup of a specific database. How you are going to take the backup of specific database? You cannot simply leave it, right? Okay, chalo, the job will take care of it. I don't need to learn a single database backup and all. There are some scenarios you have to take the backups manually. In that situation, what name you are going to give? Clear? If there is a
Yes.
chance to take the backups manually, sir, they asked me to take the backups manually. What backup name I have to give? Again, you cannot call me and you cannot ask me, right? Or else you cannot ask your colleagues, right? Right. So that's why it's better to learn the backups and file names and all, how to name the files, how to backup, how to name the files of the backup files. For full backup, what would be the name? For differential backup, how to name the differential backups and all. It's very important to learn. Okay. Right. Fine. Copy only backup. Clear? Now it is clear, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So copy only backup. What is the use of this copy only backup? I'll explain one scenario, then you'll came to know the use of this copy only backup. Right. So every Sunday full backup is running, guys. As per the backup strategy, every Sunday full backup is running. Okay. Every day differential backup is running. Every 15 minutes log backup is running. This is the strategy. Your backups are running fine with this strategy. Suddenly, on Wednesday, one developer comes to you. Hey Mahesh, can you please take a full backup for my database? I'm doing some activities on my database. So just for safe side, can you please take a full backup on my Amazon database? So you said, okay, I'm going to take it. Let me know at what time you want me to take the full backup on Amazon database. I'll take it. Right. So now he said, okay, Wednesday, 10 o'clock, can you please take the full backup? Okay, Wednesday, 10 o'clock, can you please take the full backup? Now Mahesh said, okay, then Wednesday, 10 o'clock, Mahesh took the full backup. Every differential backup is running, every day differential backup is running at 10 p.m. Now, what is the challenge here? Once Mahesh took full backup on Wednesday morning, 10 a.m., what is the challenge with the differential backups? Tell me, guys, what is the challenges with the differential backup?
For that database, the timing will be changed, sir.
Changed, right? Earlier, differential backups are going to run last Sunday to Monday, Sunday to Tuesday, Sunday to Wednesday, like that. But once you took the full backup in the middle of the week, the differential backup sequence will be changed, right?
Yes, sir.
differential backup, Wednesday night. What is the
10
backup
p.m.
for differential backup Wednesday night at 10 p.m.? It will take the changes since last full backup. What is the last full backup? Wednesday morning 10 a.m.
Wednesday morning. Yes, sir.
You don't
Okay.
consider the last Sunday, right? Now the timing
Yes.
is changed for differential backup. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now customer completed that activity successfully. Now he said, okay, the database backup size is very big. You can delete the manual backup. Now what Mahesh did is Mahesh deleted the 10 o'clock full backup. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Mahesh deleted 10 o'clock full backup. Right? So now in this scenario, if you want to restore, the database is corrupted on Saturday. Same like Friday only. The database is corrupted on Friday. In this scenario, what backup files you are going to restore? You are going to use to restore the database. Why? Because you cannot use the last Sunday full backup and subsequent differential backups. The chain would be changed, right?
Yes, sir.
Differential
Yes, sir.
backup will be applied only on the last full backup. But there is no last full backup. Mahesh deleted the last full backup due to space issue. Now, Wednesday differential backup, Thursday differential backup, Friday differential. In case if Friday is generated, it's okay. If not
Yes, sir.
generated, Wednesdays, Fridays, you cannot make
sir.
use of these backups, especially Wednesday and Thursday. Wednesday, okay, you can leave it. We are going to use recent differential backup, right? You cannot use Thursday differential backup as there is
Yes.
no Wednesday 10 a.m. full backup, right? How you are going to achieve this situation? To overcome these things, clear, right? What is the challenge you came to know, right? Is it clear? What is the challenge now if you take the manual full backups in the middle of the week? Everyone, any issues,
Yes,
any
sir.
doubt?
Sir,
If
please
you take,
repeat, sir.
yes, I'll explain again, no problem. Okay, say for example, you are taking full backups every Sunday, guys. Okay, every day you are taking differential backups. Fine, everything is going smoothly, no issues. Every 15 minutes log backups are generating, right? Suddenly one developer comes to you and asks you, developer or user, whoever it is, not an issue. Someone comes to you and raised a ticket, hey, please take a full backup of my Amazon database. We have some activities. So for safe side, we are asking backup of this database. Now you took the complete full backup on the database as per the user request. What we have to do? We have to follow user's request, right? We just took the complete full backup on Amazon database Wednesday morning 10 a.m. right? So once you took the full backup, any impact will be there for differential backups, guys?
Yes, sir.
Impact will be there. What is the impact? Whenever you run the differential backup, it always choose the last full backup. If you
Yes,
don't take the Wednesday morning full backup, the Wednesday night differential backup will depends on last Sunday, right? Whatever changes
Yes,
are
sir.
there since last Sunday, it will take all the changes from Sunday to Wednesday 10 p.m. right? But now you took the full backup at morning 10 a.m. Now when you run differential backup on Wednesday night 10 p.m., it will take all the changes from Wednesday morning 10 a.m. full backup, right?
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Agree? Till now, is it okay, guys?
Yes,
Sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Everyone, fine. Now due to space issues, Mahesh deleted the 10 a.m. full backup.
Okay.
Now your database is corrupted as usual Friday afternoon 2:25. Now what backups you are going to use to
Okay.
restore?
Hmm.
Last full backup and last recent differential backup.
Where is the last full backup?
Wednesday at 10 a.m.
Where is
sir.
it?
No, it is already
Yes, sir.
deleted now. Yes.
Should not delete now, sir. We should not delete that Wednesday 10 a.m. full backup.
You know that we should not delete, but someone deleted it. What you will do? Okay, we should not delete. That is the worst case. Someone deleted it. How
It
you
was
are going to
deleted.
achieve it?
So this, sir.
You know you
Yes,
cannot
sir.
delete the files, but Windows people don't know, right? Due to space issue, they imagine they deleted. Or else our
That time we have
DBS
to take
only.
Sunday
Yes, tell
Sunday
me
full
now. Tell me.
backup.
Sunday full
Sunday
backup.
full backup
Uh,
and remaining log backup.
Remaining log backups. Okay, you are going to use lot of log backups, right? See, for
Yes, sir.
one day itself, we got 65 log backups. Imagine for 5 days, each day 96 log backups will be generated. 12 hours, 24 hours, 24 into 4, 96 log backups will be generated. So for one day, 96 log backups means for 5 days, you can imagine 500, almost 500, 400 to 500 log backups. You have to restore all these 400 to 500 log backups. It's very difficult, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Imagine if one log backup is corrupted, then how you are going to achieve this situation? Worst to worst case. Agree? There is a
Yeah,
chance in 500 log backups, there is a chance of missing one log backup, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. So how you are going to overcome this situation? So for that, we are going to use copy only full backups. Okay. So to overcome that situation, what we are going to do, copy only full backups. What is this copy only full backup? What is the difference between full and copy only full backup? Okay. So remember guys, when you are running a full backup, actually there are two things will happen. One thing is it will take the backup of whole database, first thing, including data files, log files, it will take the backup. Second thing is, okay, it will reset DCM pages, guys. Reset DCM pages. What is this DCM pages? Differential changed map. This is a system page which will help you to help the differential backups. You know, right? Differential backup, how it will work?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
How
sir.
differential backups will work? It will take the backup of all the changes since last full backup, right?
Full
But
backup.
how
Yes, sir.
SQL Server knows what are the changes are there since last full backup?
Yeah, here keep some records, sir. Using some.
This DCM page will track those records.
Okay.
This is the system page that tracks the changes since last full backup. So whenever you run the full backup, first of all, it will take the backup of the whole database. Second thing is all DCM pages will reset to 0. Okay, if you run the full backup, the DCM pages will reset to 0. Then again, it start calculating the changes. So as you took the full backup in the Wednesday morning, 10 a.m., again Wednesday morning, 10 a.m., your DCM pages will become 0. So from DCM pages, once the DCM pages becomes 0, again from that point, it is start counting the changes. Clear, guys? But when you run copy only full backup, it will take the backup of whole database. It won't touch the DCM page. So no impact to your differential backups. Simply, if you took copy only backup, if you don't understand anything, not an issue. If you took copy only full backup, your DCM pages won't affect. So your differential backups won't affect. Even though you delete the Wednesday morning full backup, if someone asked full backup in the middle of the week, then what is your next activity? You have to take a copy only full backup, not full backup directly. If you took copy only full backup, what will happen? Nothing will happen to your DCM chain. Okay, differential chain won't be disturbed. So these differential backups will depends on last full backup only. Clear, guys?
Okay.
If you use differential backup, if you use copy only full backup, nothing will happen to your differential backup chain. Your differential backup chain will run as usual from last Sunday. It won't consider Wednesday morning.
Okay.
Data wise, there is no difference between full and copy only full backup. Data wise, both are same. Only difference is if you use full backup, differential DCM pages will become reset to 0. Again, it will start counting. Again, it will start tracking fresh changes and all. If you use copy only full backup, it don't touch the DCM pages. So all your DCM chain will follow as usual since last full backup. Agree?
Okay, okay. Now, what is the use of sir only? What is the use of sir only copy backup, sir?
Copy only. That's what. See, till now I am discussing about the uses only. If
Yes, sir.
anyone asked the full backup in the middle of the week, as you know, the
Okay, okay.
impact of the full backup in the middle of the week, we cannot take the full
Okay.
backup directly in the middle of the week. You have to take the
Okay, that's
copy only full backup so that it won't
okay.
disturb differential backup chain. Even though you delete this copy only full backup, your differential backup chain will follows your last full backup. So nothing will happen. You can use your last full backup and you can use your differential backups as usual.
Okay, okay. It means only copy backup is taking the data till
Only it will take the
till
backup of the data.
okay, okay.
Okay, it will take the backup of the data.
That too, it takes from Sunday to Wednesday 10 a.m. sir.
Yes, but not Sunday to Wednesday. Full backup, copy only
Full
full
backup.
backup, that is from the
Yes, sir.
beginning of the
Okay.
database till Sunday morning, sorry, Wednesday morning 10 a.m.
Okay, okay.
When the full backup means when the database is created, from the time to till the moment you are taking the full backup, the backup is going to complete. Till the time it will take the backup of the whole database.
Okay.
Clear, guys? Everyone, any issues, any doubts? Simply one thing, guys, if it is not clear to you, one thing blind point you have to remember is, if anyone asked full backup in the middle of the week, don't take direct full backup on the database. Take copy only full backup. Data wise, there is no difference between full and copy only full backup. Both are full backups only. If it is a full backup,
Okay.
the DCM pages are going to be reset so that the differential backup chain is going to be disturbed. If you took copy only full backup, it won't disturb the differential backup chain. So you can happily use the, in case if something had happened, in case if your database and all is corrupted, you can use the last full backup and last differential or recent differential backup to restore as usual. You can delete copy only full backup, guys. Okay, it won't impact anything. It won't impact your differential backups. You can happily delete the copy only full backups. Clear? Right?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So it's very easy, guys. Taking copy only full backup is very easy. So in case if you want to take using manual GUI way, select backup, choose full only, select copy only here. Okay, just choose copy only here. So copy only full backup. Okay, so remove the old one, add, browse, select the file. I'm going to select the existing file itself. Okay, I'll change the name now. Okay, instead of typing the whole name, I'm changing the file name 18/11/2021. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I will change it to copy only. Copy only. Okay, click OK and click OK and click OK. That's it. Okay, where is the copy only? Yes, this is the one. See, data wise, see, this is my full backup 3031 KB. This is my copy only full backup. Any difference is there?
No, sir.
No difference. So data wise, there is no difference between copy only full backup and full backup. Only thing is your copy only full backup is not going to disturb the differential backup chain. Your full backup is going to disturb the differential backup chain. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
if anyone, this is the blind, okay, point you have to remember, very important point. In the middle of the week, if anyone asked you to take the full backup on any database, you have to take copy only full backup. Clear?
Clear, clear.
Everyone?
Yes,
So
sir.
what is the query? Query is simple backup database name to disk is equal to file name dot bak is your full backup query. Okay. Backup database name to disk is equal to file name Amazon underscore copy only backup. I'm just changing the file name. That's it. Okay. Today's date is 18/11/2021. dot bak. Okay, this is full backup query, right? With copy
Yes.
underscore only. You have to include this parameter with copy underscore only. Okay, then this is your copy only full backup. That's it. Okay, if you want, you can change the file again. This is the fresh file. Copy only backup. This is the fresh one. 8:14. Okay, you can see the time 8:14, and this is generated at 8:12. Okay, this is how we are going to take the copy only full backup. So remember, if anyone asked you to take the manual full backup, no need to ask anyone. Straight away, you can take the copy only full backup. Straight away, you can take the copy only full backup. Okay, clear, guys?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let's jump into this tail log backup. Once it was completed, then we'll close the backups. Tomorrow we'll discuss about restores. Okay, right. So tail log backup. So this is the scenario. This is the scenario. Your database is corrupted at 2:25 p.m. but you have backups till 2:15 p.m. As per the backup strategy, you will have only backups up to 2:15. So 2:15 to 2:25, you are going to miss 10 minutes of data. Very important, right? 10 minutes means not small time. You are going to lose lot of data, right? So how to
Yes, sir.
achieve? Again, the next log backup will run at 2:30. Okay, so even though if the next log backup runs, as the database is corrupted, there is no guarantee that you will get a proper log backups, right? So how can I achieve the 10 minutes log backup? 2:15 to 2:25. Of course, you cannot get the data till 2:25. You can get the data till 2:24:59 seconds. 2:24 minutes 59 seconds. At least a second before the corruption, you will get it. How to get it? You will get with the help of tail log backup. So whenever a database is corrupted, the first thing is, what is the first thing you have to do? Immediately what you have to do? First you have to take the tail log backup. Okay, clear, guys? First you have to take the tail log backup once the database is corrupted. Or how to know the database is corrupted or not? If the database is corrupted, you can see in the brackets, okay, recovery pending, restoring, or emergency state, suspect state. In the brackets, you can see suspect. Amazon, beside Amazon, you can see two brackets will be there. In the brackets, you can see suspect or restoring state or recovery pending state. You will get it. Okay, that means might be either your database is corrupted or else some issue is there with the database. To confirm, you are going to check in the SQL Server error log. We have SQL Server error log, right? Management.
Yes, sir.
SQL Server logs, current double click on
Enter.
current error log. There you can see if the database is corrupted, here it will be recorded. Based on that error, you can start troubleshooting whether your database is corrupted or not. Then once you finalized your database is corrupted, what step you have to do? Immediately you have to take the tail
Tail
log
log
backup.
backup.
Immediately the first thing is you have to take the tail log backup, so that you will have safety for the 10 minutes. Okay, so what is the tail log backup? Tail log backup, there is no GUI option. You have to use command only. Okay, so Control C, let me copy this command. Control V, I'll change this command. Backup log database name to disk is equal to Amazon tail log backup underscore, what is the date and time? 18/11/2021 underscore 8/17/08/17/00 dot trn with no truncate. Okay, with no underscore truncate. This is the query. There is no GUI option for tail log backup. Okay, you have to use this query, so that now you got the 10 minutes data. Right? Now tell me, guys, the same scenario. Now tell me how many backups you are going to restore to recover the database till 2:24:59 seconds. 2:24:59 seconds. What are the backups you are going to use now?
Yes, sir. One full.
First, we need to take the tail log backup first.
Very good.
So,
Immediately tail log backup.
yes, sir. After that, going to the full backup.
Very good.
Next differential backup, and we have a log backup also, sir.
Tell me.
Same.
Then
Tail backup.
finally you have to restore the tail log backup for the same. Everything is same. Okay. No
Yes, sir.
change. Finally, one tail log backup will be added to this 65. One tail log backup will be added so that you can get the data till 2:24:59 seconds. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Right? Everyone, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So what about
What about
2:25 p.m. sir?
2:25
about
was
data?
corrupted, right?
What about the corrected the data?
How much data you are going to
the-
lose? Tell me. Tell me first of all, how much data you are going to lose? I am recovering the database till 2:24:59 seconds. Your database is corrupted at 2:25 exactly. How much data you are going to lose?
1 second.
1 second.
second
You
only.
cannot recover that one.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that 1
Sir,
second.
in
See,
the
if you
banking
want,
sector, sir,
yes,
in the banking sector, that 1 second also important also.
that what we can do if it was corrupted, that is the best time we can achieve. A second before the corruption we can achieve. Okay, so we cannot do anything in case if we lose, see, 1 second data. The banking sector, any sector, there are other ways to fix this. Okay, we will maintain secondary servers. The data will goes to secondary servers. Okay, if it is critical server and all, we have other ways also. Okay, so nothing to worry. So this is not only the option, we have like HADRs. Okay, log shipping, mirroring, replication and all. If something happened, immediately the data will be synced to the secondary server. Okay,
Secondary
so
server.
you are
Yes,
not
sir.
going to lose any data. But if it is a only standalone server, in that case, you have to bear that 1 second loss. Okay,
Okay.
clear, guys? Yeah,
Yes,
that's
sir.
it for today. Okay, so we'll connect
Sir,
tomorrow. Yeah, tell me.
one sir, in the tail log backup, you are written with no truncate, sir.
Yes, with the no truncate. That is the command.
So it means truncate means, sir.
Truncate means it is not going to see. Truncate means it is going to clear the log file. If you use no truncate,
Okay.
it is not going to clear the log file. It will take whatever the data is there in the log file. It is going to take the whole backup of the data in the log file.
Okay. Sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Last log backup, tail log backup will not get deleted, right, sir? Na?
No. It won't be deleted. How come it will be deleted? Unless if you delete manually, it won't be deleted.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So
Sir,
the,
Yes, sir.
please try to upload videos.
yeah,
sir.
I'll upload
Sir.
today. Today or
Yes, sir.
tomorrow I'll upload. Okay, I'll upload. Again, you cannot ask the videos. Why? Because I gave you the permissions. Still, if you're unable to record, it's not my mistake. But you have to wait. Okay, I'm going to upload it today or tomorrow.
Due to network issues, sometimes we